Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to unmute space notifications on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. If you've muted notifications and want to start receiving them again, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. Click on these dots to open the app launcher, then select Chat from the menu. Now that you're in the chat section, check out the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Spaces. Click on that to see all the spaces you're part of. Next, find the space you want to unmute. Hover over it, and you'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side. Click on those 3 dots to access more options. From the drop-down menu, click on Notifications. This will take you to the notification settings for that space. You'll see an option that says Mute Conversation. If it's checked, simply uncheck it to start receiving notifications again. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications for that space in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.